हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल टी फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी में। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको OnePlus 9 का रिव्यू एवं गेमिंग टेस्ट करके दिखाऊंगा। दोस्तों, पहले हम रिव्यू करेंगे, उसके बाद गेमिंग टेस्ट करेंगे, इसलिए इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखें।
Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the OnePlus 9 5G. Let's open the box. First, we have the phone. OnePlus 9 5G comes with a punch hole display. The phone has a 48 megapixel triple camera setup. You can also see OnePlus logo at the back of the phone. The phone looks premium in this winter mist color. Next, we have this box. Inside the box, you can see the SIM ejector tool, documentation like a safety information guide, SAR value information, OnePlus stickers, and red cable club card. Here is a transparent back cover which will protect your phone. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone, a 2-pin wall charger that supports 65 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the OnePlus 9 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of OnePlus 9. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low, medium, high and very high options. And in frame rates, low, medium, high, very high and max options. We will play on low graphics and max frame rate, so you will get 60 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 8GB RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor which works on 5nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone and 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display has good touch response. During long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 4500 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of OnePlus 9 is up to the mark and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.